Hello my friends and welcome to our channel Solo Rider in Germany. Maybe you have been looking for a lot of communication systems to your helmet to use when you are riding your motorbike. And most of the time you also want to have some pictures or videos on your ride, and you try to search maybe for a GoPro together with a communication system. But here and today we are going to unbox the 10C Sena EVO. This is actually two systems, one communication system, the usual one, a Bluetooth communication system and a camera together. As you can see, it also have a Wi-Fi connection, but this Wi-Fi only works for sending the pictures from the camera here to your mobile phone. We can check the packaging here. It's very nice. Still, we haven't opened it yet. I'm opening it with you. From here we can see what's inside the box. You can see here this is the two speakers, the EVO itself, and two mics, one for the complete helmet and the other one is for the half helmet, or if you want to use this boom microphone. It does have a Bluetooth 4.1 connection and unibody design. It has actually 4K, which is the upgrade from the older one. The older one was the 10C Pro. The EVO is to start with the 4K. It has a 125-degree wide view. It's not the widest if you compare it to the GoPro, but it's still very wide. And you can tilt the lens rotation up to 30 degrees. Depending on how you will mount it on your helmet, you can change the horizontal of the camera. Also, it has the Bluetooth intercom up to 1.5 or 1.6 kilometers, and it's four-way communication or four-way intercom, which means you can connect to up to other three riders if they have Sena. Yeah, if we check the other sides, it just says the 10C EVO motorcycle Bluetooth camera and communication system, and yeah, on the other side it does have the details with the languages where your country, and yeah, it's the same what we said. It also have advanced noise control, and you can share your music, you can take pictures of course and videos. And yeah, let's start and unbox it directly. So let me open this one here. Yeah, it's very nice to just tear this plastic off, and yeah, okay, so this is the box on the other side, and you just slide it that way, and here it is. So that's just a normal box, and yeah, let's open from here. Yeah, good. So okay, that's it. Let's see what's inside the box. So that's the Sena itself. You can see it's very small, compact design, and here you can see the camera, and this is where you can tilt the horizontal line of the camera in case you mount it on the helmet a little bit tilted, or if depending on how tilted it is, you can push this sensor and then it will rotate the camera a little bit depending on how you mount it. So this is the main device, that's the 10C EVO, and under this just a normal plastic just to hold the thing, and then that's all the components that we will need to mount together with the speaker. And the nice thing, it comes with a charger in case you run out of battery, then you can charge it. You can use it actually while it is charging, so if you want you can actually connect it. Most of people connect it to a power bank, not with this one, and then have it running whenever they are using it for a long time, so you can charge while using it. This is a connect USB-C to USB micro connection, and this is for charging it like when you are at home. So that's it. Of course, we have all these things that we will use to mount together with the speakers, together with the boom microphone and the other microphone, and a lot of stickers to mount these things. We will open it later. What else do we have here? Yeah, we have the quick start guide and how to use it. I heard a lot of people complain about it. It has too many combination of buttons, but once you get used to it, it will be quite easy. And that's all what's inside the box. So we have something written here. Let's read it this way. Not sure if you can read it. To minimize the risk of serious injury, death, or product damage, read complete user guide. Okay, they are advising you to read the user guide. And I think that's it. We put this box on the side, and then we can open the components. Let's see what's inside. So we have a lot of things here. So this is I would say the most commonly used mount. This is where you can change even the tilt of the camera. So you can have this one here, and then you can change the angle of the camera. It's not fixed. You can just with this one rotate this part, and then it's easy to change the direction of the camera. So this is the first mount. There is a fixed mount, so this one also. This is, you cannot change it. It just goes in this direction. But the main difference between these two, that you can see this one is very slim. We will open them to be much clearer here. So you can see this one is quite very slim, and then the camera goes that way. Yeah, so it's very slim, very close to your helmet. And with this one, it's a little bit far from the helmet, but you have the option that you can actually, if you lose this one a little bit, then you can change the rotation of the camera, and then you can fix it after that in the position you want. So you can see here the difference between how slim this one compared to this one. Some other people also like to use this not only because of the tilting option, but because it's a little bit far from the helmet, and then you don't have too much in the frame from your helmet side. So that's also another point you can consider for this one. There is a third mounting. Let me check. Where is it? Yeah. So yeah, this one, in case you don't want to use the usual mount for the helmet, or you have a helmet that you cannot use this one you can stick it on the side of the helmet, or maybe if you want to change the position that it cannot fit, then you can use this one. It's quite easy. You just peel this and stick it in a very flat surface. That's it. So it's, and also this one is very slim, so it will be very close to the helmet, like this one. What else we do have here? Yeah, we have the very small microphone. This one you can use if you have a complete helmet. That's I would say most probably the one that I will use. Here you have this how you call it, the dead cat, or yeah, some foam, and here a lot of stickers. The rounded ones are for the headphones. So if you want to stick them, if your helmet doesn't have this already, let's say ready for this, you can add it maybe, or also you can use it for the microphone. Yeah, these small ones you can use it for microphone, but this one will give you a bigger surface area that you can stick the microphone in several as well. Here we have this is actually just some foam, but a little bit you can see it's a thick. Maybe let's open this one. It's a little bit thick foam that you can use to push the headphones to your ears if we want to seal the sound, or maybe your helmet has a bigger space compared to the ear space. So here this is quite just a very flexible foam you can use, and this one has much more harder, so if you want to push them much more, then you can use these large ones. And this is just stickers that you can use to stick the speakers. And here, these are the speakers that we will use inside the helmet. What else? Yeah, we have the boom microphone. If you don't have a complete helmet, you can use this one because there's no place that you can stick the microphone, so you can use this one. And this is also, actually this is a larger piece compared to this one, so you can see the difference between these two. This one is very large, this is quite large compared to these ones, but yeah, that's everything inside. And yeah, we can mount this one on the helmet in the next video.